Sunday reset. Clean, clear, and feng shui your space for the week ahead. Is your home secretly draining your energy? Feeling scattered, stuck, or stressed before Monday even begins? Let's fix that. In today's video, I'll walk you through a Sunday feng shui reset ritual in 3 steps to clear stale energy, invite focus and calm, and set the tone for a powerful week ahead. Hi, I'm Sandeep Raut, and welcome to your trusted channel for harnessing energy flow, balance, and prosperity using authentic feng shui techniques. If you want to invite more peace, prosperity, and productivity into your life, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for weekly feng shui tips. In today's video, I'll walk you through a powerful Sunday home reset routine that integrates feng shui principles, decluttering techniques, and intentional living habits, all designed to reset your space and invite abundance for the week ahead. The power of Sunday energy clearing. Sunday is a transition day. It's energetically connected to reflection and preparation. When you feng shui your space on Sunday, you align your home with clarity and flow, helping you feel grounded and inspired through the week. Step 1. Physical decluttering. Start with a cleanup of high-traffic zones, your bedroom, desk, kitchen counter, and entryway. Use the 10-minute timer method. What's out of place? What haven't you used all week? Remove anything that blocks movement or feels heavy. Start by discarding anything that doesn't serve you. Old receipts, broken items, dirty laundry, empty containers. Let us see key areas where clutter blocks abundance. Focus on your wealth corner, southeast, career corner, north, and your bedroom. Use affirmations as you declutter. I release the old to welcome the new. Burn sage or Palo Santo to energetically cleanse each room. Use sound healing, bells or claps, in stagnant corners to move blocked qi. This simple act of Sunday home organization using feng shui clears your physical and energetic space, allowing positive energy, or qi, to circulate freely. Step 2. Cleanse and energize. Activate prosperity energy with intentions. Let's activate key areas. Entryway. Sweep the entrance, clean the door, add a fresh doormat or wind chime. Wealth corner. Southeast. Add a thriving plant, a bowl of coins, or citrine crystal. Career zone. North. Wipe your work desk. Bedroom. Make the bed with clean sheets, remove electronics, and place rose quartz for harmony. Kitchen. Clean your stove to attract more abundance. Mop the floors using salt water to absorb negative energy. Wipe mirrors and windows for clarity. These represent the clarity of your goals. Place a citrine crystal or amethyst in your southeast wealth corner to enhance abundance. Use essential oils like orange, lavender, or clove in diffusers to activate high vibrational energy. Step 3. Reset with feng shui symbols and intentions. Place 9 oranges in a bowl in your dining space, symbols of prosperity and vitality. On your work desk, add a symbol of aspiration, like a vision board or motivational quote in your workspace to remind you of your goals. Replace or trim any dead leaves from money plants or lucky bamboo to maintain vibrant feng shui plants. Refill water fountains or clean fish tanks. Water symbolizes cash flow in feng shui. A clean and energized home is the foundation for wealth attraction, productivity, and peace of mind. As you place each item, say an intention aloud. I welcome new opportunities. This week, I align with abundance. Light a candle, sit quietly, and write one intention for each life area: health, wealth, career, love. Place your list in the wealth corner or keep it in your wallet. That's your Sunday reset, simple, soothing, and powerful. Tell me in the comments, what's one space you'll reset today? And if you're new here, check out my playlist on Feng Shui for abundance. Like this video if you found value. Comment with your favorite Feng Shui ritual. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly Feng Shui tips, home energy resets, and spiritual design guidance. Because when your space flows, your life grows.